What is table selection for poker session management? Imagine walking into a poker room or logging onto an online site and having the power to choose the best game for your style. That's what table selection is all about. It's a strategic choice you make before you start playing, and it can really impact how well you do. When you pick the right table, you're putting yourself in a position to win more often and reduce your losses. The key is to look for tables where the players are less skilled or more recreational. These players tend to play looser and are easier to exploit. If you find a table full of tight, serious players, it can be tougher to make money because they're more disciplined and less likely to make mistakes. So, your goal is to find tables with weaker opponents who make more mistakes and are less aggressive. Another important factor is where you sit at the table. Sitting immediately to the left of loose or weaker players is a smart move. This spot is sometimes called the Jesus seat because you get to act after them, giving you more information before making your decision. It's a big advantage because you can see how they act before you and adjust your strategy accordingly. The atmosphere at the table also matters. If the players are chatty and relaxed, they're probably recreational players who play more loosely. These games tend to have bigger pots and more chances to win. On the other hand, if the table is quiet and serious, with players who seem focused and tight, it might be less profitable. Choosing a comfortable seat is also important. Pick a spot where you can clearly see your opponents, chips, and behaviors without distractions. Being comfortable helps you stay focused longer, which is vital for making good decisions. Timing can influence your choice too. Playing during late nights or weekends often means more casual players are around, making the game softer and easier to beat. Also, selecting the right stakes and game type that match your skill level and bankroll is essential. Playing higher stakes just to chase bigger wins can backfire if the opponents are too tough. Finally, good table selection isn't a one-time decision. During your session, keep evaluating if the game is still profitable. If the table gets tougher or players start to change, be ready to move to a different table or adjust your approach. In essence, effective table selection means choosing the right game, the best seat, and the right time to play. It's a proactive way to manage your session, maximize your skill advantage, and keep variance in check. When you do this well, your overall poker results improve, and you enjoy the game even more.